Okay, I saw a listing on Craigslist, and this is what I got today. I've got a weakness for buying junk. So the thing that really caught my eye was an isolation transformer. I already have one, but having a second one's better. The real story is that I thought that I'd tried my first one, but didn't. So now I have two. I'll probably sell it to my friend who wants one. So that's gone to a good home. I have a bunch of cables, so $20. And then he had a bunch of cables, which I got for $15. So yeah, let's look here. These are all 1/4 inch. Some are mono, some are stereo. These are really nice for like guitar amplifiers and stuff. These are all extension cords, really long ones, and they're mostly all 3.5 millimeter. And then this group here is XLR stuff, which is what I really wanted. I wanted this in particular, a real nice long high quality XLR extension cable. But there's some other XLR things in here, that might be useful, or I might just use the connectors, and I can always use shielded cable. So these are high quality. And there's a bunch of stuff that I probably don't want, which is all of this RCA stuff. There's a few things that are nice in here, but most of the RCA stuff I don't really care about. I got too much of that around anyway. And then I had a bunch of these adapters. So a bunch of 1/4 inch to RCA. Here's a stereo converter to 3.5. These are the ones I was really interested in, though. These are XLR to 1/4 inch. So those are going to be real handy, and both male and female. So one set of each, or two sets of each, two sets of two. Anyway, and this is interesting. This is XLR to RCA. That's interesting. And then these, I don't know if I have a use for them, but these are worth the price of admission right there. These are impedance converters, 50K to 200 ohms. There's a transformer in here, so I'm not sure which way it goes. I think it's 50K on this end and 200K on this end. And there's two of those, so those could be in handy, or maybe I'll just sell those or something. Anyway, $15 for all of that. So yeah, I have a weakness.